Charlie Zulu.
A346 Charlie Zulu, line 240 at 7, runway 18 center, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 18 center, China Southern 346 Charlie Zulu.
Delta 150, line 240 at 7, number 2, runway 18 right, cleared to land.
Number 2, cleared to land, runway 18 right, Delta 150.
KLM 420 Victor Golf, line up and wait runway 18 center.
Line up and wait runway 18 center, KLM 420 Victor Golf.
KLM 777 Heavy, line 240 at 7, runway 24, cleared for takeoff.
Amsterdam Schiphol Tower, check 123, ready for departure in sequence at runway 24, remaining in the pattern.
China